Arrive in style with this 2014 Mazda CX-5. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: intermittent wipers, power steering, driver vanity mirror, front head airbag, sun moonroof, premium sound system, automatic headlights, keyless entry, and driver illuminated vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.